Okay, the progress made on the project. The box section that we had in separate pieces is now welded up into big T pieces. Got 3 of those. Next step, the 8-foot length of pipe we had is now cut into 12 pieces, and we've got this pipe cut into 12 pieces, slightly smaller diameter, but because they're like really rusty, they're going to be cleaned up. So they look like that, ready for painting and welding. So next stage is to clean the rest of these up. Clean these up so there's no burrs showing on the inside. Got to clean all the swarf out. Get rid of all that. There's a clue to what they're going to be used for. See? So I need to crack on now. Get all these cleaned up, trim the edges, get rid of all the scrag. Get these cleaned up so the inside edge hasn't got this burr on it, because something's got to fit inside of there and there can't be anything scratching it or stuff. So we've got 4 cleaned up. We've got another 8 to do, and then we've got 12 of these ones to do. There's quite a lot of crap in them, so it could take a while, but that's stage 2 begins.